Good afternoon, y'all. I'm getting ready to go to Bath and Body Works. Before I get into that, what's up to all my MVP riders? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching all of my videos. I truly do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, do all those things I normally say do in the video. Also hit that notification bell and follow me on all of my social media platforms. And follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. Yes, y'all do all of that stuff. But I'm going to go to Bath and Body Works and pick up my BOPIS order. I did the buy two get two candles. I didn't get anything from the $5.95 sale because y'all know a couple of weeks ago, or well, maybe, yeah, about a couple of weeks ago, my store had the $5.95 sale. Plus, I had a coupon. Or was it $4.95? Either $5.95 or $4.95 sale, and I had that coupon, so I got a lot of stuff that I needed. So I'm not gonna participate. I'm gonna try not to participate in any of the body care sales until maybe like around the holidays, like Thanksgiving, Christmas, all of that, around that time, because then they will have some really cheap prices. And because I really don't buy a whole lot of body care, even though lately I have been buying a lot of body care, so it's not a big rush for me unless they release something that I just absolutely have to have. That's the only way that I will participate in a sale. And then y'all see I got this unit on again. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I did a braid out on this hair. I love this hair in a braid out because I prefer wavy hair versus curly hair. So when I do a braid out, it's a little bit more wavy versus curly because this is that kinky curly, so the curl pattern is super tight. I really don't care for that. So most of the time, if I do wear this unit, I will do a braid out on it, or I will just brush it all back and then wear like a ponytail. So yeah. And another thing, I do have a video on this unit that I did some years ago. I like this unit, and I did color the ends, even though the ends need to be retouched, because believe it or not, this is supposed to be like a burgundy color, and it's more of a like a rust looking color. So you know, the more and more you wash like red, it fades and it becomes more of a brownish red, a rust color. So that's why it looks like this. I actually have the hair color and I just haven't touched it up yet. But with this unit, I've been having this unit for some years. I hardly ever wear it because I'm not a huge fan of the curl pattern, and I really don't like the closure. Out of all of the units that I've made or had, this has to be the worst closure I've ever had. I mean, it'll do. I keep saying that I'm gonna buy another closure, which I did a while back, but I used it for another unit. So I'm just deal with it. It is what it is. I hardly ever wear this wig anyway. So enough with the wig. Let's head to Bath and Body Works because I know I just drew that all the way out for those people who love hair, because I do actually love hair. And so let's head over here to Bath and Body Works. Let's see what we could find. I don't plan on buying anything. Only thing I do plan on buying, if my store have that midnight amber glow perfume for $8, I will grab that. I got a coupon for a free single wick candle. I will be grabbing that. I actually got a coupon for free body care up to $8.50. I might hold off on that one. But yeah, let's head on up here because it is late. Y'all know normally I be out the door way before 1 o'clock, and it's a little bit after 1. So I want to go ahead up there. Plus I got a headache and I feel a little sick. Not sick like, you know, like the sickness that's going around, not like that, but let's head on over to the store. All right, y'all.
Okay, yeah, I finally made it to the store. This store is so packed. Oh my goodness. It was so hard to record in the store, but I managed to put a little footage together because it was just way too packed to actually do what I normally do. But as you see, my store had the midnight amber glow out. I was surprised to see this in the store. This was actually Sunday. So I was surprised because they were supposed to put it out like Monday from what I'm hearing, but they decided to put it out early. And as you see, my store do have all of the items, the candle, the single wick, the wallflower, the body washes. They had everything, but again, they wasn't doing any sale on this product, I don't think. I didn't really look, to be honest. To be real honest, I was just going there for my BOPIS order. I wasn't planning on buying anything. I wanted the $8 perfume, but of course they were sold out. I was too mad. I tried to go to a different store, but that store didn't have it either. So I kind of missed out on the perfume, the travel size perfume for $8. I missed out on that. Hopefully when I go to the store, they still have that sale because I really do want it. I really like the bar soap packaging. It's super nice. And it also comes in this glotion. I'm not a fan of this glotion at all. I really wish they come out with two versions, like the whipped butter version, because I do like the whipped butter, but they don't. So it is what it is. Now, my store had this luminary Halloween candle holder. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. $200 beautiful, but it's also heavy. Oh my goodness. I was so shocked how heavy this candle holder is. Leave in the comments, let me know, have you seen this candle holder in person? Have you actually lifted up and seen how heavy this thing is? I was surprised by that. Somebody had it on hold and she just let me record it, but it's pretty. Shout out to you, to the person who actually is gonna buy this thing. Shout out to you. It's a pass for me. It is cute, but I'll pass.
Let me go get some lotion. Let's start this over. I'm gonna use Denim and Daisy from the 2021 collection. I believe this is the 2021 collection. Yes, this is the release, the first release of Denim and Daisy. And y'all do know Sweet Daisy, Sun Washed Denim, and Sun Citrus. Now the notes have changed a little bit. I think now it's soaked denim or something like that. But still the same beautiful, beautiful scent. Just they changed it up a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna put on real quick because your girl is ashy. But let's get into this video, y'all. Let's get into the video. And of course, this is gonna be a haul, my BOPIS order. I was supposed to do this yesterday. Like I told y'all yesterday, I was feeling sick, my head was hurting. I just could not. I could not come back with the video. So I'm gonna finish the video now and just show y'all what I got in my BOPIS order. Okay. The first things I got for free is I decided to get Spooky Cider Lane. This candle is amazing. If you have not grabbed this candle free with rewards, you need to. This is a powerhouse. Oh my goodness. This candle smells so good. The scent notes is bourbon glazed apples, maple syrup, and vanilla. So nice. If you don't want to spend that $32.50 on the 3-wick, go for the single wick. This is a powerhouse. You only need one. Well, I only needed one for this room, but this is good. This is good. It most definitely smells like caramel apples. I'm here to tell y'all, this a go. This is a go. So grab it free. If you have rewards, grab you a couple of them. It's better than spending that. It's better than spending the $32.50 on the exact same candle that you could get for free. Or you could easily wait until they have like a big sale, like a $13.95 sale, and grab the 3-wick. But in the meantime, why not grab this one? Amazing. So I got this free with rewards. And I think this would make number 3 that I have. The next candle I got, and I didn't even know that they was going to have this collection out in my stores, but they did have it at one of my stores, and that is the Midnight Amber Glow. They had the whole line set up, so I decided to grab this free because I had a coupon for a free single wick candle. So I did grab this one. Let's see if the scent notes is on it, and it is, yes it is. Amber, caramel latte, vanilla bourbon. That's the scent notes. But to me, this smells a little bit light. This smells a little bit light to me. I could barely smell the single wick, so I'm not sure if, I don't know. But this single wick is coming off super, super light. I can't even really smell it. So again, since those were the only 2 items I got for free, so when I picked up my order, I just got I bought 4 candles and I got 2 of the same candles. And when I was in the store, I decided to exchange one out, and I had got 2 of the sweet cinnamon plum. I got 2 of these, but I exchanged one for something else. The scent notes on this is plum, cinnamon apples, clove buds. Yes, yes, yes. And when I smell this, this smells very cinnamon / clove heavy. I don't really get the apple and the plum. I think I'm just super sensitive to cinnamon and clove. So it's kind of coming off. Those are the 2 top notes that I really, really smell. So, hopefully this is better than what it smells like. Don't get me wrong, y'all. I love cinnamon. I love cinnamon candles, but for me, cinnamon candles, they all seem to smell the same. So most of the time, I don't really go for the cinnamon candles. Now, if it has cinnamon in the name, sometimes I'll pass. But if it has like cinnamon just in the ingredients, I'll give it a chance. But most of the time, if it's like that pumpkin cinnamon spice, I'll pass. It's just, I don't know. Cinnamon candles, I could just wait for SAS. I'm just saying. So I got that one. And since I exchanged one, I decided to get the 3 wick of the Midnight Amber Glow. You love the packaging. Oh my goodness. This packaging is so, so nice. I absolutely love this whole collection. If I had to go strictly off of packaging, what they say, chef's kiss. But I absolutely love this packaging. This packaging is speaking to me. So chances are I'm gonna get the body mist. I do want that. Again, the scent notes is amber, caramel latte, vanilla bourbon. I don't know, maybe something going on with my sense of smell, but I can't smell nothing. I don't know. I'm gonna have to burn this one because this is coming off very, very, very light. I could barely smell it. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to burn this to see exactly what it does because I love it. I really, really like it. And I hope it could be conflicting with the lotion I just put on because I most definitely smell this lotion, but I cannot smell this candle. So we shall see. I'm kind of smelling a little bit of vanilla though. So we'll see what this do. I hope this throws really, really good. I hope it throw good. So yeah, I got that. And the last 2 candles I got with my BOPIS order is Sunrise Woods. Yes, yes, yes. I really, really wanted this candle. I already have the Fine Fragrance Mist, which I will show y'all with the stuff that I bought from the outlet. I got it from the outlet. So yeah, I really, really wanted this. I think I bought the body wash last year, I think. But the scent notes in this one is creamy sandalwood, sweet berries, cozy cashmere. Yes, and I love the packaging on this as well. It just seems so cozy and just like a summer evening to me. So I had to have it. I had to have this. Yeah. This is nice. This is nice. It most definitely smells sweet and creamy. But I think this lotion is kind of conflicting with, I think it's just kind of throwing me off. I should have put that lotion on a long time ago. So those were all the items I got from BOPIS, my BOPIS order. And I'm sorry that I can't really tell y'all what I think of the scent because of this lotion I just put on. It's kind of overpowering the scent of the candle, which is not good because we all want powerhouse candles, and the fact that the lotion is a little bit stronger than the candles is kind of telling me that these candles probably are not going to be powerhouses. So, but I most definitely could smell this one. This is a winner. I'm just saying. Leave comments, thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on social media on all of my social media platforms, follow my hashtag, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.